With the babe. Ready, mother?
Re-attempt. Oh.
Noodle challenge with the babe.
Re-attempting the noodle fire challenge. While recording.
Oh, okay.
Hi, it's Melly.
Hi, Vero.
We're gonna attempt the noodle challenge. Let's see if we can do this shit. We did it the right way. We followed the instructions. No drinking while eating it. And we're competitive, so let's get started. Ready? Okay.
My mouth's watering.
Well, when it's hot, it makes it hotter. Yeah. I like the flavor, like, a lot. Okay, well. Wait, you talking? Air makes it hot. This shit's hot.
You're going down. You're going down. Oh my gosh.
Reminds me of my Dios, like, Dios habanero sauce. When I dip the chip in it, eat it, it's like it's in my mouth.
It's bomb. Huh? The bomb is good, but it's hot. I'm feeling it.
It's like melting my makeup off.
My nose about to start running. Almost done. Oh damn! I probably got more than you.
Oh gosh, why would anybody want to do this? Again, because it's good, because it's hot, because you want to like...
Almost done. What about you, baby? Oh, fuck. Almost done. What about you, baby? Oh my god, I was running. Fuck. And that's like one more bite.
I ain't drinking, I just popped my shit. Oh.
You ain't done? You gotta finish that. It's done.
I throw up.
All done. I did it.
Oh my god.
She's missing a couple noodles. Come on, baby. All done. I was just snapping. Sorry, guys.
It's okay. Well, you're drinking now, right?
It wasn't that bad this time.
Okay. We did attempt it before when we were drunk as fuck and full as fuck already. But we took one bite. I'm gonna finish it, but finish it this time. How you sounding?
Another challenge with the bag. Ready?
My sister's getting ready.
Almost done. I'm about to
Oh, that was Snapchat.
No, not this. Not when I post this for the show. All done. I did it. She's missing a couple noodles. Come on, baby. No, she's seen the one up to the spring rolls. She's seen the one up to the spring rolls.
Shrimp, cucumber, lettuce, green onions, and noodles. She don't like green onions. She don't like onions anything.
I like onion rings.
Well, she's getting used to it because I put onions in everything, so she shouldn't have to eat it or not. Okay, we're done, right? It was a fucking hassle.
I want some more noodles though.
I don't. They're very tasty, but don't do it when you have makeup on. Cause this right here is all fucking running.
Really?
It's fucking hot.
You better put my makeup on there.
We out.
Oh, well.